Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our new satin black hood emblem for the 53 to 56 Ford trucks. In recent years, Ford has used black emblems as a signature feature on select sport and blackout appearance packages. Now you can bring that same modern look to your vintage F100 with our premium black emblems. Our hood emblem is an exact reproduction of the Ford original, but with a satin black finish to give your truck a distinctive look. They are officially licensed by the Ford Motor Company, ensuring quality meeting Ford's high standards. The mounting hardware is included, so installation couldn't be easier. Simply line up the holes and tighten it down and you're ready to hit the road with a bold new look. This item pairs well with our hood ornament beaded pad to protect the paint behind the emblem and to seal out water and debris from getting behind it. So if your 53 to 56 Ford truck is ready for a custom blacked out appearance, Dennis Carpenter has just what you need to stand out from the crowd. You can find this and many other blacked out emblems, as well as many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok.